Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking on this video. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Debbie and this is the look that we are going to be doing today. So I hope you like purples and pink looks and a bit of sparkle because I do. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with brows, which is Brow This Way. It is in medium brown today. And I'm taking my little Zoeva brow brush. Sound weird, brown brush. Brown brush? It wasn't brown. Yeah, I am messing up and I haven't even started. So as usual, I'm taking my PLouise base and it is in the shade Rumour. And I'm just gonna pat that all around my eyes, covering that eyeliner again. I can't get it off. Like, the eyeliner I've been using and I just literally can't get it off is the Scandelous Eyes by Rimmel, which I will be using today. But yeah, it is pretty good eyeliner. And it was pretty cheap too. Bargain queen. Right, so first I'm going in with a deep purple. It is from the PLouise palette. It is the darkest purple here. Taking the purple and just going around the whole of the crease. And I am just leaving a slight space in between where the tear duct and actually where I'm putting the purple, just so then the pinker shade can fit in there too. Then whenever you're happy with that purple, go in with a smaller brush, which is the Luxe Petite Crease Brush by Zoeva, and then taking the pink sort of shade and just doing little circular motions all around where the edge of that purple is. So now that I'm happy with those colours, I'm going in with PLouise base again, which is still in the shade 2, and just taking a wee bit of that and putting it right in the centre, then looking up, so then it tells me how high I need to go, and just patting that product on. See there? I want to take that dark purple again and just put some on each edge. And then the pink that we done for the second transition kind of shade. Just lightly over those purple edges. Taking a flat top brush and going in with 2 of the different glitters, so just so it's extra sparkly. And it just looks beautiful. Beautiful! Yeah. Now the eyeliner that I was talking about earlier, the Scandelous Eyes, and it's pretty good. It just glides on there and it's just like, yes! I'm not doing a winged liner today just because the eyes are pretty rounded, so I just want to keep that like that instead of dragging the eyeliner out. So now I'm sticking eyelashes on, and these are just eyelashes I get from the wholesalers, so that's why I never really mention what eyelashes I use. Right, wipe all my hands because I have purples and pinks everywhere and I don't even know how I got it in between my fingers and thumbs, in between there. Don't understand how I got all purple in there, but it happened, and there's even some back of my hand. I just always end up stinking. Right, I'm taking the Estee Lauder DoubleWear. It is in the shade 2C1 Pure Beige. And I'm just going to go all around my face with that. I'm using this one because I have came out in a few spots and it is just hair coverage for me at the moment. Right, I'm not even gonna cream contour today because I'm gonna see what it's like without it. So I'm just taking my powder and setting my face, and you guessed it, my powder is RCMA, no colour powder. It is awesome. I'm looking very white because I haven't cream contoured. Right. Taking the Hoola Benefit bronzer and just patting that on. And don't worry, I know it looks extreme, but if you just gently blend it up, and then we're going to keep on blending it out, and it'll look good. This is why I do two different bronzers, if you've noticed. Instead of just one, I do the two different ones. Just because that works well for me and it looks more natural. I know one bronzer you would think would look more natural than two, but it doesn't. Trust me, try it. So going in with the MAC Give Me Sun and just blending that out. Like there's two bronzers and one. See? I look really white on this camera and it's really bugging me. The light is too strong in this one. I'll go in with the Rimmel lip liner, which is in the shade Cappicino, and just line my lips. Okay, so now I'm taking the Freedom lip gloss in Promelts Naked shade and just going around my lips with that. It is Coral Spectrum. I'm sorry. Using that. I dropped it twice. I'm an idiot. Okay, so today I'm using the Coral Spectrum Zoeva palette and just going in with the pink and giving myself some colour back in these cheeks. And the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette in this one. And if there's any highlighters or anything that you think are good, let me know in the comments for me to try them, because I do want to try out some highlighters. Even though I do love this one, but I feel like I've had it so long, maybe a little change would be nice. So let me know in the comments about highlighters, get me excited. This is me done, I'm done, yay, yay, yay. Okay, I'm done. If you liked it, then please like it and subscribe to it. Subscribe to it. No, subscribe to me. Do it. Do it. No, you want to. Yeah, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.